Hello everyone, welcome back to my Genetics 311 exam mini video series. This is for Prompt 5.1a, and this is brought to you by me, Haley Honeycutt. Today I will be showing you how I created a single phylogenetic tree based off the various characteristics of my shoes. So a few things to address first is that the more closely related items will have the shortest branches, and that phylogenesis gives rise to only 2 species at a time. So these are all the shoes that I've pulled out from my closet, and we're going to figure out what goes where in our phylogenetic tree. The first thing we're going to do is look for the outgroup. An outgroup is an OTU that is known to have diverged earlier than all the other OTUs. The outgroup roots the tree such that all other OTUs share a common ancestor. OTU stands for Operational Taxonomic Unit. It can be a species or a strain of a virus or even different alleles within a species. Here we have 9 different OTUs, which are my shoes. Out of these 9 OTUs, which one of these sticks out? So if you said that these tall boots were the outgroup, you'd be correct. These boots are my riding boots, and I only wear them when I'm horseback riding. This is the outgroup because all of the other shoes are just for normal wear, casual wear, or dress wear. So now we're going to further divide the shoes into dress shoes and non-dress shoes in our phylogenetic tree. The category of dress shoes is then divided into heels and flats. These two represent my heels in the phylogenetic tree. The white ones were my prom shoes, and the black ones are Crocs, and they're very comfortable. The next set of branching, still within the dress shoes category, we have flats and sandals. Now moving on from the dress shoes category, we can now divide the remaining shoes into boots and tennis shoes. Here we have my tennis shoes, which are separate from the boots section, and the white ones are my work, and the black ones are my exercise shoes. This is how our phylogenetic tree turns out. We have an outgroup, which is the riding boots. Then we have a section for dress shoes and non-dress shoes. The dress shoes are divided into heels or flats, and the non-dress shoes are divided into boots or tennis shoes. So this structure is called a rooted phylogenetic tree, which means that the root node, which is shoes, does not have a parent node, and it serves as the parent of all the other nodes within the tree. You can also see that we have a bunch of internal nodes as well as child nodes. The child nodes are the list of shoes on the right, and the internal nodes are where I have questions like, are these dress shoes? Yes or no? Are these heels? Yes or no? Are these boots? Yes or no? This tree represents an evolution within a lineage over time known as anagenesis. The most recent common ancestor or last ancestor is the most recent individual in which all organisms of the set are descended. Within this phylogenetic tree, you can also see that we have cladogenesis, which is the splitting of one lineage into 2. Once this occurs, the branches evolve separately from each other, and this leads to the biological diversity since more species, or in this case, shoes, exist at the same time. So that's all I have for you today. Thank you for listening, and happy quarantine, you guys!